Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Snapchat media upload problem. So if you also want to fix Snapchat media upload problem, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So if you're also facing Snapchat media upload problem, there might be various reasons for it. In order to fix it, you can try checking your internet connection. If your internet connection is not stable, then your Snapchat media will not be uploaded. So make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. Also try restarting the Snapchat app. If this also does not work, what you can do is try updating the Snapchat application to the latest version. For that, simply launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Now simply tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now simply type in Snapchat. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to find the option for Snapchat. All you have to do is tap on it. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find two options over here, uninstall and update. So simply tap on the update option. Now wait for a while. Now after that, you can see over here Snapchat application will be updated. After that, your problem should be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is try ensuring Snapchat has access to your device's camera roll. For that, what you have to do is launch open settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. You'll be able to find several options over here. Simply tap on the option apps. Now after that, you'll be led to the apps interface. Tap on the option see all apps. Now you'll be able to see all the apps over here. Over here, what you have to do is find the application for Snapchat. Once you find the application for Snapchat, all you have to do is tap on it. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the app info interface of Snapchat. You'll be able to find several options over here. Simply tap on the option permissions. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the app permissions interface. You can see over here, camera is allowed in mine. If it is not allowed in yours, it will be displayed in the not allowed section. Simply tap on it. After that, allow the camera access. Now this should solve your problem. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is try restarting your phone. Simply long press on the power off button. Now after that, you'll be able to find several options over here. Simply tap on the option restart. After that, your device will be restarted and your problem should be fixed. So like this, you'll be able to fix your problem. So that is how you fix Snapchat media upload problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.